over in Indiana, inside the grain bin. This is the one where the sweep got crinkled. We now have this paddle sweep going. Working our way around. Fred and Kaylin and Jared are hauling. I'm in here gonna look after it, keep it cleaned up. Garrett's been doing it. He's in the sprayer with Eli today. David's doing irrigation work. So what's nice is we let it go around. Just keep her clean from the wall a little bit here, and then it'll go around a couple more times. It'll get pretty clean. See, there's no auger here. There's just like a little conveyor with paddles on the bottom there. It takes it right in. Safer, easier on the grain, and don't have to use a shovel except for right along the edge. We'll let this go around a couple times. Just sweep her up, I guess. Give you a shot in here where it missing a few paddles here. They got to put the track on because our sweep got messed up, put it in. So it's missing the track around, missing a couple paddles they couldn't get on because of corn, but it's mostly doing a pretty good job. Drops her off in there. Well, ran home to come back across the river. Had to go home. Compressor, something's out on my freezer. Anyways, luckily we got a freezer at the shop. Was my meat too, but head back. They've surely been back for another round, and I will work on the bin some more. And the river is pretty high from all the rain up north. Like it hurts too bad, but get a little bit. River's pretty. Just wish it'd stay in its banks like it's supposed to. Made it back over here. And Fred's here with his second round. Loading out that hopper, that's why I'm keeping full. Got sensors to shut it off automatic. It's really nice, especially since we don't live over here. When you're not cleaning bin, you can, and you know you got plenty, you can let it run until it's full and it shuts off on its own. So go in here. This measures how much is in it. Leg, bit, bin. One more step with these. Regular sweep, they engage, they kick on with that auger. These, you got one more thing to hit. And she's running. Almost 60% full. You hear that? Should be that loud unless it's about empty. I'm gonna see if I can see anything when it runs. Or I have to wait when it don't. There's stuff out that's hitting against all the time. These drops in the middle. Too much dust to see anything. Sounds like all the noise up here at the deadhead though. Too long to fall, I guess. Pretty good second time around. Let's see what it looks like after the third time. Just sweeping it, keeping it up a little bit. Got a couple rubber pieces off right there. Just letting a little more through than it should, but could put it in because the other one was twisted up. Corn was in the way, but pretty good. Third time around looks even better. Get that little bit there at the end with a shovel.
Okay, we're here at shop today and we've got a couple guys from Rutherford here looking at our nitrate bar, some things that's happened and what they're going to do to remedy the problem. They got a lot of good equipment and they are very good at standing behind their product. And what they've already told us is going to be no problem. So. Okay.
Yeah, ultimately makes a
time's important, and that's the way to go.
Makes a big difference. So.
Yeah. Okay, we got two guys here today from Rutherford.
How's it going?
Ryan.
Ryan. Tom Kramer.
Tom.
Yep.
Tom's what are you, the local?
Yep, territory manager for this part of Illinois and Indiana and Central Kentucky as well. So.
And Ryan is?
Product support in Clyde, Ohio at our base location. I work with the applicators and stuff like that and deal with farmers, try to help them out and get them going, keep them running.
It's been a good outfit. We've had a few little problems like you do with any piece of farm equipment, but good thing about this company is they come out and they stand behind their product. So
they're gonna fix it.
So they're gonna fix what little problems we have.
Fix it and see if I can break it again.
Yep, told us some options, you know, on the new one if we get it we might want, and how to run it a little bit different. So overall it's been a very good visit and very good, learned a lot today I think. So appreciate you guys coming.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for your time. Really appreciate it.
David, thank you.
Yeah, you as well.
Thank you. We'll get this
So
thing
yeah,
taken
if you
care
guys
of.
have any questions, just call us. That's what we're here for. That's what our jobs are. So we'll help you out setting it up, anything you need. So yeah, we're here to help you guys. So
Melon farmers getting after it. Ridging. We got the bin empty. Okay, let's pull under these side chutes. We'll just empty out what's a little bit in there so don't block it next year. Not much in there. Oop, got on tarp though. I'm also going to crank it up and open that gate, make sure there's no hunks or something in our way. Got it all cleaned out. Up in there, open the gate and all that stuff. Few sprinkles. Looks raining pretty good. The north maybe. Sprinkling again. We take the rain, that's for sure. Take a lot cheaper and it covers more area than these things. I'm still changing oil and stuff like that. One down there, so I'm gonna have to bring the portable washer with me. Its radiator looks filthy. On a bird's nest in this one. Might get rained out here in a bit. Be okay. Fred's down there loading some more. What corn's left in here is in the hopper. We're gonna get her empty. I don't think this one's gonna quite get it. Oh, we almost got it. Not quite. We're gonna get the rest of it this evening. Going in for his last load, he's just gonna stop by here on the way back. Illinois, swing by here, and then we will get that emptied out. And then I don't think it's definitely not. I don't think it'll fit. The rest will fit on the truck, and definitely not enough to just take that little amount that far. Got the portable washer out. I don't know why I didn't get the camera on while I was washing. I don't know why. Clean out this radiator was nasty. Cleaned it out, cleaned off the pad. It's covered so I don't ever get any rain on it, which is good, but it's filthy in there. So clean that radiator up a little bit. These things run when it's hot outside. Good chance of rain, 100% tonight. So we've ran corn a little bit in the dry areas, and now we're just kind of waiting to see. There's a lot of rain in the north. Looks like it's swooping down, so I think we'll get some. Just how much? Still continuing on the bean ones. Right now, motor oil day, they're bringing some, but we're getting there. We are getting there. There was a lot of rain in the north last night. Tornadoes too, so feeling for those guys up by Charleston, Illinois, up that way. But the river is going to be coming up. We only got like a ½ inch of rain. Well, 2 inches some spots, just depends where you're at. So we're having to take this back out before the water comes up, move her to higher ground. Well, we got her chained up at least.
I think that'll work.
I think it'll work. See how this goes. Never done this before. He's gonna pull up while I pull up. Hey, gotta get over them. Rescue mission complete. Unless it gets taller or higher.
Right.
Yeah. We'll see. 19 feet. That's what it's supposed to get to at Mount Carmel. I think it should be good there. Come across by the Cannonball Bridge and we got tassels. First tassels I've seen on us. Fungicide time before you know it. River went down a little bit, but it's on the way back up. When you go over the Cannonball, there's a field just right next to it. We farmed that. Can't see it for the trees. You'll be able to see it here in a second. Call this King Bend because the big bend in the river goes around it. They're going to be spraying that today. That looks like they've already been through it. Yep. Went and scoured that this morning, see if it's dry enough. I don't see any stuck sprayers, so hopefully it was. It came up, back down. Let's go come back up in it again. We want to spray it now while we get in there. And it seems like the water does not kill the water hemp, so I thought it might be out of control when we got done. So could get that done. Had a meeting this morning, Case IH planner guys, our yearly meeting with them, tell them what we think of the planners. They're a good company. They ask questions, and then, well, it's not just us, it's a lot of farmers. Then they try and implement to what their customers need. That's just a good thing. Stand-up company, if you ask me. I don't see any sprayers down there. I was going to stop and get a drone of them if they were here, but looks like they're all done. And I think that means they're done in Lawrence County. They're done in Indiana, done in Wabash County. So all that's left is Crawford, which had more rain. Was that yesterday, day before? Anyways, 2 inches, inch and a half up there. It might, no inch of Cora Robson, so we'll probably be heading that way. Crop down there is looking good. Corn's really looking green right now. Things are looking real good. So weather's been nice, like high of 85 or whatever. It's been nice. So good chance of rain Sunday, another 100% chance. So keep getting 100% chances, just getting a little bit. That's a heck of a lot better than what those, well, you guys up in the middle part of the state got. So see what happens. See you next week.